initial state matrix is a column matrix. Oh, is it? It's a column matrix of the starting conditions. Right? We have the transition matrix, so we might make that a T, and this an S0, and then this is like S number of months. So it starts at like, 20%, 80% split, right? After a couple of months, it slowly, it'll fluctuate until slowly it gets to a steady state. And that's when we have the steady state matrix. Or sometimes it's called the long-term effect. So you'll hear this a lot. Long-term effect. So if you're in the external exam or even the internal, if it says long-term effect, you want to keep multiplying by the transition matrix. So you could do like the transition matrix to the power of 10, and that'll hopefully give you, the long-term effect.
S0 should be
S0 is
1 and 1? 50-50? Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
So we've got iced coffee, coffee. Okay? So 50% buy coffee, 50% buy iced coffee. After a month, it's going into summer, need long term. All right, there's a lot of stuff in there. So this stuff here tells us what, do you think?
It tells us that we need to have transition matrix with those values.
Yep, so it's going to transition after 1 month. Now this is the key bit that you really should pay attention, okay? So you've got iced coffee, coffee, right? So transition is always a square matrix. Iced coffee, coffee. So it's going from this to this. Okay? So in here, iced coffee to iced coffee. Anyone know? Does it tell us?
60%.
It says coffee drinkers buy iced coffee. So coffee to iced coffee is
25%, 0.25.
coffee to iced coffee. 25% of iced coffee drinkers buy coffee. So iced coffee to coffee is.
And the middle is 0.
Alright, this is the thing you need to write on the side. The columns in the transition matrix add up to 1. Okay? So what would this become?
Iced coffee to iced coffee.
And we've got 0.4. So I've got to, I'm going to think about what's going to happen in 3 months, assuming that this trend continues. All these coffee drinkers are now moving to iced coffee. So to find in 3 months, I'm going to do the T to the power of 3 times S0.
Now in a business, this is what I'm doing.
I want to do it in your brain. I don't think you're going to do that in your brain. It's like
20%, 29.49% go to coffee.
It's 4 8.
Well, probably not go. They probably just say drink. So long-term effect,
It'll never be 100%.
it's usually in Markov, long-term is like more than 10. So you do like, stage 10 or 11.
What, is it based on the stage that it wants to calculate?
That the 3 month and the 10 month is the same answer. So after 3 months, it's already steady. Well, you could have a question like that. You could say, when is the time when it's just about
Yeah.
to become steady?
They're very slightly different.
They're slightly different, sir, but not
But the
much.
rounding will just get you.
It's slightly different, sir.
Do we have to go and find when it does change?
Not difference. That'd be 70.5.
You could use inverse matrices maybe.
59.
It's not much, so.
But, you know, it's a number that you change.
So this is the long-term effect is
Mine's slightly different
oh, is it? Okay.
How do you lose it?
though.
Like the Excel?
Yeah,
No,
they are slightly different.
The
It is
paper.
slightly different.
Oh.
Oh, well, that's wrong then. What is it?
Oh, it's like a
So
tiny
it's
decimal point.
0.705
Eight.
882.
Yeah. Yeah. Just like that.
So 70.59% iced coffee and
And 29.41.
the long-term effect, steady state, is this. Okay, so this is a great question about the evaluate the reasonableness question. This is a great question for evaluating the reasonableness. So you could, it might say evaluate the reasonableness of the solution.